Drum rolls. Yes, finally. Guys, you will not believe it. Like, I'm so happy, so overwhelmed. I don't even know how to react. Now I know how these YouTubers feel when they eventually hit this YouTube milestone. It's so overwhelming. I was literally screaming. Yes, guys, I did it. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just 3 months, and I got monetized on YouTube. If you have been struggling to grow your channel, trust me, I know how frustrating it can be. I know how frustrating it can be because I've been on this YouTube space for like 3 years. Though for the 2 years I didn't really take it that serious, but it was the third year I really took it serious. Let's say towards the end of 2024, I started taking my YouTube channel seriously, and I took it even more personal from January 2025 because I set out my goals of what I wanted to achieve in 2020. If you look at this is my personal diary. If you look at it, the first one says January 1st January 2025. So these were the things I wrote down as my New Year resolution, things I wanted to achieve in 2025. Yes, guys. And the number one there is career growth, personal growth, and then YouTube milestone. Because I was already tired of seeing people talking about how they got us monetized in 7 days, in 2 weeks, and I'm just watching and blushing. If they can do this, I can too. Even when I watch people in the medical field, nurses, doctors, how they, got their channels monetized, I wanted to be like them. I know I wanted to do something different this year. And I told myself, if you look at here, the third one here, number 3 or on what I wrote, it says, I want my YouTube channel to be monetized in the next 3 months in 2025, precisely before the end of March 2025. And as a Christian that I am, I just put an amen there. I prayed seriously about it. And I know I wanted to change my finances this year. I wanted something different. I was already getting tired of this peanut I'm collecting for the 9 to 5 job I do. So today, that is why I've decided to spill the tea, all the secrets. I'll walk you through the exact content strategies I used, the YouTube settings that helped me boost my videos, and my mistakes, and what I would have done differently. Hi besties, welcome back to Mercy's Wellness Diary, your go-to channel for all things health, food, and wellness. Here we explore simple tips for a healthier lifestyle, share delicious recipes, and dive into wellness hacks to help you feel your best every day. I am here to break down everyday health topics and make them simple and fun, from common health conditions to staying on top of your wellness trend. So if you're ready to learn, laugh, and level up your wellness journey, hit the subscribe button if you're new and join this amazing community. And to all my returning subscribers, you are the real MVPs. Thank you for all your support. Now, today is about YouTube growth and monetization. So if you're trying to get monetized fast, grab your snacks and let's get in. Before I tell you what works, let's talk about what doesn't work. Because most new YouTubers make these same 3 big mistakes. And I did it at first too. Mistake number 1, not having a niche. When I first started, I thought I could just post anything and get views. But YouTube needs to understand your channel before it starts pushing your content. What I did instead was I focused on health, wellness, and lifestyle because I am a nurse and I understand the topics properly, specifically topics people were searching for. I also watched other health YouTubers to get idea. This helped me rank in search and get consistent views. Mistake number 2 is ignoring the SEO and keywords. At first, I don't even know what SEO and keyword means. I just uploaded videos without thinking about titles, descriptions, or tags. Big mistake. YouTube is a search engine and your videos need to be optimized to be discovered. What I did instead, I started using TubeBuddy and vidIQ to find the right keywords for my titles and descriptions. I also started using ChatGPT. And guess what? My video started showing up in search. Mistake number 3, not making clickable thumbnails. I cannot overemphasize on this one. I will be honest. My first thumbnails were tragic. No contrast, tiny text, and just not attention grabbing. What I did instead, I started using bold text, high quality images, and bright colors. My click-through rate went from 2% to over 80%. Alright, now let's get into the actual content strategy that got me monetized fast. Step 1, I researched trending topics. I made ChatGPT my best friend. I would always go there, ask. Instead of guessing what to post, I looked at Google Trends, YouTube search suggestions. I checked my competitors' videos and what they were talking about. One of my best performing videos was about healthy Nigerian foods, a topic a lot of people searched for. Step 2, I posted consistently without burning out. At first, I tried to upload every single day, but it was too much on me because of the kind of job I do. I switched to 3 videos per week, focusing on searchable content, how-to videos and educational videos, trending topics, health and wellness tips, personal experience, story time, and vlogs. Step 3, I kept viewers engaged. I tried to bring in things that would make them to be hooked and keep watching. I looked for watch time hacks and it worked perfectly for me. All these things kicked off in January 2025. So guys, did you know that YouTube rewards longer watch time? I made sure I hook viewers in the first 30 seconds, use jump cuts and graphics to keep it engaging. Open loops like I'll share my biggest mistake at the end. Every YouTuber has that one video that kicks off. For me, it was a video I made about 8 holistic wellness habits in 2025. This video alone got 2K views in the first 48 hours and brought in 1K new subscribers. Why? Because it was a trending topic at that time. It had a catchy thumbnail and the titles made people curious because they wanted to level up their wellness journey in 2025. You never know which video will blow up, so keep posting. Now, let's talk about some secret YouTube settings that helped my channel. Settings number 1, allow embedding. This lets people share your videos on blogs and social media, bringing in more external views. Step 2, custom thumbnails. You need to make your own thumbnails. Never rely on YouTube auto-generated ones. Step 3, end screen and cards. I started adding end screen and clickable cards to keep people watching more of my content. This really increased my watch time. When I finally hit 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I was so happy. But what happened next? I applied for monetization through the YouTube partner program and I got rejected. Yes, guys, I know. I got rejected because they said I used reused content and I had copyright claims. I almost fainted. How is that possible? I film and edit my videos myself. God, what was going on? I was asked to appeal if I feel they made mistake. I was happy. There's still hope after all. It took me 2 days to film and edit a 5-minute appeal video showing how my contents are filmed and edited. And I was so happy to submit it. And guess what, guys? I was still ineligible. They told me to check my channel properly, delete what needed to be deleted, and reapply in 30 days. I was so sad. I cried my eyes out. So what did I do? All I did was I changed my video thumbnails to make sure they are simple by using the same pictures, font, and color. I also changed the titles, deleted the shots that had background music, but I wasn't still satisfied in my spirit. Something kept telling me something was missing. One day, I decided to rewatch all my videos to see if I would find something. That was when I discovered that I didn't delete 2 live streams I did showing Big Brother Niger reality TV show. I screamed, oh my God, this is what they have been talking about. So I quickly deleted them, and after a month, I reapplied again. In less than 24 hours, guys, I received the best email of my life so far, guys. I got approved in 24 hours, besties. I haven't made my first dollars yet, but I'm happy that I am closer to getting it. And I will definitely come back to share with you guys. Trust me, this is just the beginning. So if you're trying to get monetized fast, remember, pick a niche and stay consistent. Use searchable titles and keywords. Keep people watching with good editing and engagement. And most importantly, don't give up. So I want to say this, guys. There are few YouTubers that their videos and consistency boosted my morale and confidence. Channels like Vibe with Sonia, number 1 on my list, Creative Cow, Princess Chiamaka Tutor Zone, Nurses Lecture Room, and Nursing with Light. These are channels I watched and took their advice, applied them, and it worked like magic. It worked for me. So please do check them out if you are a struggling new YouTuber. And also follow my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you are on your YouTube journey, tell me, how many subscribers do you have right now? Well, guys, we finally come to the end of this video. Drop a congratulations to me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.